Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The history of Lincoln, Nebraska is shaped by political compromise, westward settlements, and the development of long-term institutions on the Great Plains. Before European settlement, this region was inhabited by Indigenous people, including groups connected to the Otoe, Missouria, and Pawnee nations. They used the land for hunting, trade, and seasonal movement long before permanent towns were established. American settlement increased during the mid-19th century as migrants moved west along river routes and overland trails. Small farming communities and trading posts appeared across southeastern Nebraska. The site that would become Lincoln was originally known as Lancaster. It was a modest frontier settlement with limited economic importance. Its future changed in 1867 when Nebraska prepared to become a state. At that time, political divisions existed between northern and southern regions of the territory. Omaha dominated trade and population in the north. Southern communities wanted greater influence. To resolve this conflict, legislators agreed to place the new state capital in the southern part of the territory. Lancaster was selected and renamed Lincoln in honor of President Abraham Lincoln. This decision gave the town immediate political importance. Government offices, courts, and administrative services moved in. Roads, housing, and public buildings were constructed. Investment followed political status. Railroad connections soon strengthened Lincoln's position. Rail lines linked the city to regional and national markets. Agricultural products from surrounding farms could be shipped efficiently. Manufactured goods became easier to import. This integration supported stable growth. During the late 19th century, Lincoln developed as a center of government, education, and regional commerce. Unlike mining towns or speculative boom settlements, its economy was based on institutions rather than temporary resource extraction. This reduced economic volatility. The founding of the University of Nebraska in 1869 was especially important. The university attracted students, faculty, and research funding. It strengthened Lincoln's role as an education and cultural center and became one of its main economic anchors. By the early 20th century, Lincoln had established a clear identity. It functioned as a capital city, a university town, and a regional service hub. Manufacturing, publishing, and food processing added diversity to the local economy. The construction of the Nebraska state capitol in the 1920s and 30s marked another turning point. After an earlier capitol building was destroyed by fire, the state invested in a new structure designed to symbolize permanence and authority. The tower-style building reflected confidence in Lincoln's long-term role. During the Great Depression, economic hardship affected the city, but government and education employment reduced extreme instability. These institutions provided steady income when private industry struggled. World War II and the post-war period brought population growth and suburban expansion. Road networks improved, residential development spread outwards. Like many American cities, Lincoln adjusted to automobile-based planning. Despite these changes, the city avoided major industrial decline. Its economy remained centered on government, education, healthcare, and regional services. This diversification supported long-term resilience. From the late 20th century onwards, redevelopment and preservation reshaped parts of the city. Downtown districts were renewed. Mixed-use planning increased. Cultural and recreational facilities expanded. At the same time, the university continued to grow. Research activities expanded. Student populations increased. Athletic programs gained national attention. These developments reinforced Lincoln's national profile. In recent decades, the city has emphasized controlled growth. Planning policies have focused on infrastructure, maintenance, moderate density, and long-term stability. Expansion has been managed rather than speculative. Throughout its history, Lincoln has been shaped more by institutions than by short-term economic booms.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.